A lot of people have been asking me in my community, can I find them a leverage trading crypto platform with cheaper fees? And I've been testing and using CoinEx over the last couple months. And I must say, their interface is absolutely amazing. And also, they have one of the cheapest fees around, right? So if you guys want to get access to CoinEx with the best fees and some other little goodies, check the link in the description. But I'm going to give you a nice tutorial as well, guys, because a lot of you guys, you don't know how to use leverage. So not only am I going to show you how to leverage trade on CoinEx, one of the best exchanges, platforms to leverage out there, I'm also going to show you how you should do the best strategies that you need to be using right now. All right. And the best coins to leverage and what I think about the market. All right. Okay, cool. So as you guys know, my strategy is primarily for Bitcoin on this channel, right? We have an absolutely great strategy, how you can leverage trade Bitcoin with my unique mechanism of trading the ranges. Definitely the best way to trade. And I'll give you a quick brief on this video as well, so that I can get you guys started faster and making some money. All right, cool. So first of all, make sure that you are on futures, okay? Because remember, futures is what we're trading, and futures trading. And then make sure that you top up your account with whatever cryptocurrency that you have, okay? Once you've done that, guys, let me just run through leverage and this really good platform, okay? First of all, when you leverage trading, make sure that you use isolated, okay? Why? Because it means that your trade is isolated to this one trade. Meaning, if you get liquidated in this trade and you've got $100 on this trade, but you've got $1,000 in your account, you're safe. It's only for this trade. If you put cross, it will go into your money out your account to feed this one trade that you got. And like you guys know, you should know if you're watching my content, we cut losers fast and we let our runners run. So we don't want to add to our losers. That's what losers do. All right, so we want to keep it isolated, right? So boom, confirmed, isolated. Now, I'm not going into financial advice here, how much you should leverage. Personally, I can tell you about me. If I had less capital, I would obviously go higher leverage. If I have more capital, I go lower leverage. Guys, leverage is your friend. I make an analogy about leverage. It's like using the bank's money to buy a house, you know? But that's over a 25 years period. Here we have it soon as we open them and close the trade. So it's in and out. As long as you guys have great risk management, which if you've been watching my channel, you should know that stuff. As long as you understand risk to reward, okay, then you're good to go, okay? So I'll personally, small port, only $500. I've been whapping out that 100x, 50x, not financial advice. My port's obviously a lot bigger, so usually I'll do like a 10x leverage. So basically all you do now is your margin is your margin, and now you're loaning 10 times your margin to trade with a liquidation amount. For instance, quick, simple maths here. If you have $1,000 in your account and you 100x leverage, if the position goes in your way, 1%, you double your money. Nice. However, if it goes 1% in the opposite, you'll lose that $1,000. But how are you going to lose if you have a stop loss? Your stop loss shouldn't be a whole 1%. Your stop loss should be maybe 0.25%. And your take profit should be 0.75%. So you got a 1 to 3 risk reward. This is what I teach. Good risk management. And you know what? I shouldn't be saying this, guys, but use what the platform gives you against them. Use their leverage. Because when you're winning, you know what you're doing. You're winning. You're taking money from the market. All right, you're taking money from them. Not the opposite way around. All right. Shh. Don't tell no one I told you that. Anyway, cool. So very simple stuff. You're isolated. I explained what's leverages. Now, limit or market order. Limit is you don't want to do limit. You want to get your strategy and you want to be in and out. Yes, hands up. Limit orders is cheaper fees, guys. But with especially my strategy, okay, which will there's many videos on my strategy. Let's focus on how to use CoinEx on this video. Tap into my other videos, how to actually have a strategy. We'll give you a strategy. I'll tell you at the end of the video how you can find that video on your own strategy. But anyway, I digress. So once you know a strategy, you don't want to limit order. Limit order is you're guessing, you're predicting the market. I think the market's going to go down to this. No, you have to look what the market gives you, and you need to adapt to that. Have a thesis is okay, but don't predict where the market's going. You adapt to what the market's giving you. So we always use market order. Very simple stuff. Whatever you have in your account, you can nudge this up here. That'll be 50%. So you can use 50% of whatever your balance is. Simple. Keep it simple maths. Market, press, buy. You think that this asset, Bitcoin, is going to go up, you press buy. You think it's going to go down, you press sell. Guys, people overcomplicate leverage trading. That is literally what it is. Now I'm going to give you some key pointers that you should know. Okay? If you're leveraging crypto, okay, stick to one asset. Okay? One asset. Because every asset has its own little personality. Bitcoin moves a certain way. But what I like about Bitcoin is where Bitcoin goes, all the rest of the altcoin flows. Usually. You know, you have your little narratives here and there that might pop up. You know, like Zcash was a couple of months ago, and that just went crazy, and Bitcoin's going down. But primarily, right, it all follows Bitcoin. So why do you need to bother with all these other altcoins? Focus on one asset, and that is Bitcoin. All right. So that's some important things to know. Let's have a look at other things that CoinEx does. Okay, let's have a look. Have a look. Copy trading, great, very good, guys. No doubt you go in here and you can find some good traders to copy trade. That is fine, but just make sure that they have a high success rate. So you can also copy trade other traders. Cool. For you guys that are new, right, you can do demo trading. Personally, if I was going to do demo trading, I would just be like, okay, I'm going to look at Christian strategies. You know, you can look at my other videos. Told you I've got a really good strategy, range changing Bitcoin. Okay, I'll leave this link in the description. Very simple stuff. But however, test a demo account for a week, a weekend, a week. Don't be stuck on a demo account for too long. Why? Because demo account gives you no actual skin in the game. And trading is 90% psychology and 10% actual strategy. So if you got the strategy and you want a demo account, there's no emotions, you know? You need to feel that emotions of actually putting your money at risk, okay? So personally, demo account, weekend, a week. And then transition to a live account and start small, guys. Get $100 in your account, $500, and build. So guys, any questions that you have about CoinEx, you can ask in the comments, and I'll be happy to do another video. Like I said, I've been using them for a couple of months and having no issue with them. Absolutely great platform. All right, guys, till next time, peace. And the link to use them will be in the description too.